mula sa pamilya ni Ramos from Cavite. I'd like to say happy birthday. More birthdays to go. It's your birthday, get out and celebrate. And cheers. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Ate Tin. Wish you all the best. Sana lagi kang masaya at happy sa iyong kaarawan. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong na ibinibigay mo sa amin. Sa lahat-lahat. Sana ma-achieve mo lahat ang iyong goals sa buhay at sana magka-bebe ka na. Happy birthday ulit at happy Valentine's Day. Ingat palagi. Love you. Mwah. Miss you. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Ciao!
Happy birthday, Ate Tin! Wishing you a good health and on your special day. And happy Valentine's. See you soon. Looking forward sa BGC natin.
What is that? What is BGC?
BGC, basta yung kwan yun. It's a night out.
What's BGC?
I don't know what's BGC.
You don't know why you're saying BGC?
No, you ask Ate Tin and then, enjoy your day. Oh.
My turn? Okay. Happy birthday. I hope to see you soon when we go to the Philippines again this summer. Are we going this summer?
Yeah.
Yeah, and also when I see you again next year, next summer, 2026, that's gonna be really fun. And I hope you have a good Valentine's Day.
And we're gonna do hiking again?
Yeah.
Okay. See you. Bye!
Happy birthday, Tina, and happy Valentine's Day. So, super awkward gumawa ng video na to, pero para sa'yo, gagawin kita ng birthday greeting, no? So, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best. So, I know na sobrang happy ka naman sa life mo ngayon as a wife, and soon sana as a mother, no? So, I'm really hoping na matuloy siya in the future, and kung kailan nyo gusto actually. Sobrang happy ko na up until now, we're still friends. So, alam mo naman yung mga pinagdaanan na natin, no? All throughout high school, up until ngayon, no? So, I'm really grateful na up until now, friends pa rin tayo. Siguro, favorite memory of you would always be yung memories natin nung high school kasi doon nag-start yung friendship natin na barkada, no? So, lahat ng memories natin during that time, ang most memorable memory sa akin. So, up until today, we're still friends and friends pa rin tayo with the other high school friends natin. Kaya super happy pa rin ako to be friends with you and hopefully up until the future. Happy birthday!
Inay, happy birthday! Happy 30th birthday! Oh my God! 3 dekada na, super tanda mo na. Kaka-20 ko pa lang ng January, ikaw 30 ka na ngayon. Joke. Sana safe kayo kung nasan kayo ngayon, kung nakakiyat na ba kayo. Sana safe din kayo pabalik, kayong buong grupo. Tinatanong nila ko anong favorite memory ko kasama ka. Parang wala naman, kasi di ba sobrang strict naman ng parents natin. Lalo na parents mo, di ba? Joke. Ang naalala ko lang, yung recent na na nakakatawa talaga yung sira yung sasakyan ni Dwight sa Startol, di ba? Tapos pinagawa natin. Sabi ko, ikaw mag-drive ng isa kong sasakyan, tapos ako mag-drive ng sasakyan ni Dwight, tapos babalik tayo ng Batangas. So pumasok tayo ng Startol, ako papuntang Batangas, ikaw papuntang Manila. So hindi tayo magkakatagpo. Ang wish ko para sa'yo, sana, of course, health. Pinaka-importante naman sa lahat yung health kasi para makasama natin yung mga mahal natin sa buhay, dapat healthy tayo. And alam ko namang healthy ka kasi super sipag nyo mag-walk at mag-jog. I pray na sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo, whatever your heart desires. And alam ko naman na darating din lahat ng wishes mo, lahat ng pangarap mo kasi you're a kind person. I love you, ingat kayo. Happy birthday, happy Valentine's.
Hi Akla! Happy birthday! Miss na kita. 3 taon na kitang hindi nakikita. Happy birthday! Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa lahat ng suporta at pasensya mo sa akin Sana masaya ka everyday and forever and ever. Galingan mo today! Goodbye!
Happy birthday, Tinay! God bless you always and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Kita ko birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
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 Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po!